Ever wonder why your home doesn't look as polished as those you see online, even after all your decorating efforts? It's not about spending more, it's about the details you might be missing. Today, I'll show you 7 simple fixes that instantly elevate your space. We'll cover everything from decluttering to lighting, art, and more. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tweak for a more luxurious, cohesive home. Grab a notebook. Let's turn your space from just okay to fabulous. Let's get started. Cluttered surfaces are the fastest way to make a room feel chaotic and cheap. Start by ruthlessly decluttering. Keep only what you use or love. Use trays or boxes to corral essentials like keys and mail. Style surfaces with intention, group items in odd numbers, vary heights and textures. For example, try a lamp, a stack of books, and a bowl on your console table. Remember, less is more. Give each piece breathing room. Pick one surface in your home, clear it, and restyle using these principles. You'll be amazed at how this small change elevates the whole room. A curated surface tells a story and feels personal, not random. Order and style go hand in hand. Try it today and see the difference. Bad lighting instantly cheapens a room. Ditch harsh overheads. Layer your lighting for warmth and depth. Use 3 types: ambient, overhead, task, reading lamps, sconces, and accent, table lamps, candles. Upgrade basic fixtures to something stylish, and always use warm-toned bulbs. Add a floor lamp to a dark corner or a table lamp to a side table. Put your main light on a dimmer for instant mood control. Layered lighting creates atmosphere and makes your home feel inviting. Even small changes, like swapping bulbs, make a huge impact. Lighting is the quickest way to transform your space. Don't underestimate its power. Try layering your lights tonight. Bare windows or cheap blinds make a room feel unfinished. Hang curtains high and wide, mount rods above the frame, and extend past the window. Choose curtains that just touch or slightly puddle on the floor for elegance. Opt for fabrics with weight, like linen or velvet, and look for lined panels. The right window treatments add softness, height, and a sense of luxury. Don't settle for flimsy, short curtains. Dress your windows well and your whole room will feel elevated. It's a simple upgrade with a big payoff. Generic wall art makes your home feel impersonal. Choose pieces that tell your story. Photos from travels, vintage maps, or DIY art. Think beyond framed prints. Try a gallery wall, framed textiles, or meaningful objects. Thrift stores and flea markets are great for unique finds. Let your art collection grow over time. Don't rush to fill every wall. A blank wall is better than meaningless decor. Each piece should reflect your journey and personality. Art with meaning adds soul and makes your space feel curated. Be intentional. Your walls should speak for you. Make your art personal, not generic. Rugs anchor a room. Get the size right or the whole space feels off. In living rooms, at least the front legs of all furniture should sit on the rug. In dining rooms, chairs should stay on the rug even when pulled out. In bedrooms, extend the rug 18-24 inches beyond the bed. Layer a large, affordable rug with a smaller, plush one for style and scale. Don't settle for a too small rug, it shrinks the room visually. The right rug makes your space feel bigger and more expensive. Measure before you buy. Size matters most. A room with only one texture feels flat and uninspired. Mix materials, pair leather with knits, wood with linen, metal with velvet. Layer pillows, throws, and bedding for a plush, inviting look. On shelves, combine books, ceramics, and plants for visual interest. Even small touches, like a textured tray or a sheepskin throw, add depth. Don't be afraid to mix rustic and modern elements. Layering isn't just for textiles. Do it with decor too. Texture and layers make a space feel rich and thoughtfully designed. Look around. Where can you add another layer? Small changes here make a big impact. The final polish is in the details. Swap out basic hardware for stylish knobs and pulls, an easy, impactful upgrade. Hide messy cords with covers or clips for a cleaner look. Make your bed daily and keep throws neatly arranged. Add a signature scent with candles or diffusers, and display fresh flowers or plants. These small touches show care and intention. Details like these separate a high-end space from an average one. Don't skip them. They're the secret to a truly luxurious home. Attention to detail is everything. You don't need a huge budget to create a luxurious home, just smart choices. Declutter, Layer your lighting, dress your windows, choose meaningful art, get the right rug, mix textures, and focus on details. Start with one tip this week. Small changes add up fast. Your dream home is within reach. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.